So the Nuggets win the tip. Porter with it. Jokic battles through traffic and lays it in. Minnesota with the ball. Poked away. Here's Conley. One-on-one here. And he makes no mistake on the slam dunk. On defense, Denver. 4-point game. And so it looks like the Timberwolves will retain possession here. So it's Minnesota now. Three-pointer. Can't hit.
Tell you what, guys, his size really comes into play when there's a rebound battle going on. He's got an advantage in there.
They set the pick. We're about 1 minute into the first. Pass to Caldwell Pope. And that's going to be too many steps. Gets the whistle on the travel. Minnesota with the ball. Now here is Conley. Towns. Drops in the layup for two.
You know, his ability is matched only by his energy, guys. I mean, he's usually in the middle of everything for his team.
First 1:30 gone here in the first quarter. And he's going up for the alley-oop. Oh, and they get in the way of the alley-oop. Not to be. Good play defensively. Here's Gobert. Pass to Conley. Six to shoot. 0. Drops in the tray.
A wide open three. They need much better communication defensively.
Got a piece of it. And here's the fast break. It's hauled in by Gordon.
Excellent. Really solid job, actually, by the defense to get in his way as he was going up for that one.
And he gets it to go.
Took advantage of some shoddy defense there. They've got to at least get a finger on him.
Now here's Conley. Warren. They set the pick from deep. Offensive rebound. Here's Gobert. Goes up again, and he sinks the layup.
If you battle for the offensive rebound and come up with it, you're guaranteed a high-quality shot on a follow, just like he got there.
Howard down as the whistle blows. A three-point play chance. And the Timberwolves making a change here. That free throw good from Gordon. Now about 3 minutes gone in the first quarter. And here is Conley. Tipped away. And so it looks like the Timberwolves will retain possession here. And so it looks like the Timberwolves will retain possession here. Nuggets on D. Lets it go from deep. It's hauled in by Gordon. Denver in the lead. Just under 3.5 minutes gone here in the first quarter. Takes the alley-oop pass and dunks it down. Now Conley. He hasn't yet put up any points in this one. Pass to Anderson. Cuts off the pass. By himself. Hammers it home to polish off the break. Here's Conley. Back to Anderson. And here is Conley. About 3 seconds between shot and game clock. 0. A three-pointer is right on target. He's got 6.
It's been a very efficient first quarter for him. He's creating good opportunities and converting those that he creates.
Murray. Murray lays it up and in on the nice reverse.
Now there's something for the top 10 highlight reel right there. A layup can be just as sweet
And now the second quarter just getting set to start. And the Nuggets, guys, what jumps out to you numbers-wise? The Timberwolves trail. Conley with it. The kick out to Brown. Back to Conley. Right side, Conley. Clock at 6. Anderson up top. And 2 shots coming up at the line as he gets fouled on the shot. That free throw, no good. And the Nuggets making a change here. And that trip coming up empty, missing both. And it's the Nuggets ball. And that one's good. So it's Minnesota now. They trail by 7. Right side, Conley. Makes it off the glass. With both hands and rips it down.
They got to bring the double team on him.
Second quarter of basketball, about 1 minute played so far. And the whistle blows on the backcourt violation. He went over and back. And it's the Nuggets with the ball. They lead by 8. That's the biggest of the game. Left side, Gordon. Left side, Gordon. They get it back. And that one's good. He has 7.
Very nice pickup of the offensive rebound. And once he gets his hands on it, you know it's going back up and back in.
Minnesota calls timeout. They swipe it. Second quarter of basketball, just over a minute and a half played. Here is Porter. Still getting warmed up offensively. No buckets yet in the game for him. Now here is Conley. Pass to Anderson. Banked in off the glass. Outside Gordon. It's stolen by Gobert. Now Anderson. Conley with it. Here's Brown. And another 3 for Minnesota. And here's Jackson. Pass to Porter. Throws it up high. Lays it in off a pretty alley-oop. Now Conley. Fires the 3. It's all in by the Nuggets. 13 points was their biggest lead in the game. Gordon up on top. Pass to Jackson. Jokic. And he bangs it home with one hand.
A signature slam right there from the big fella. How many of those have we seen before?
And this is his second trip to the line tonight. Outside Conley. Here's Morris. There's the 3. The shot misses. Gordon with it. Jokic. Jokic. No good off the back of the rim. Here's Morris. Pass to Anderson. Smooth as silk on the finger roll. One second left. And no good trying to get that one. And so that's the end of the first half. Nuggets ahead